Abolition. Abolition. Meaning: annulment of a system or practice. The abolition movement fought for the end of slavery. Harriet Tubman was an abolitionist leader in the fight against slavery. Related words: emancipation, revolution, end, abrogate, repeal. Authority. Authority. Meaning: power to enforce rules. The manager has the authority to hire and fire employees. The president exercised his authority to veto the bill. Related words: power, leadership, control, dominance, expertise. Ceasefire. Ceasefire. Meaning: temporary suspension of fighting. The two countries agreed to declare a ceasefire and begin peace negotiations. The United Nations was called in to broker a ceasefire between the warring factions. Related words: armistice, break, moratorium, truce flag, truce. Deny. Deny. Meaning: refuse to acknowledge or accept. The CEO denied the allegations of corruption and fraud. The security guard denied access to the restricted area. Related words: disavow, refuse, reject, dispute, contradict, dismiss. Dismiss. Meaning: send away or reject. The protest quickly got out of hand and turned into a violent riot. He dismissed her advice without thinking and ended up regretting it later. Related words: rejection, discard, terminate, reject, disregard. Enforce. Enforce. Meaning: compel observance of rules or laws. The police department strictly enforces traffic laws in this area. The government agency enforces regulations on food safety. Related words: uphold, compel, execute, administer, implement, govern. Govern. Meaning: to rule or control. The newly independent nation was learning how to self-govern. It is crucial for elected officials to govern wisely and prioritize the needs of the people. Related words: government, governing, governance, governor, control. Guideline. Guideline. Meaning: instruction or recommendation. These are general guidelines for writing an essay. Please follow the specific guidelines provided in the manual. Related words: policy, instruction, rule, procedure, recommendation. Overthrow. Overthrow. Meaning: remove forcefully from power. The military staged a violent overthrow of the dictator. The rebels were arrested for their attempted overthrow of the government. Related words: revolt, coup, dethrone, subvert, pardoning, Pardoning. Meaning: act of forgiving an offense. The President announced the full pardoning of the convicted prisoners. The Governor issued a conditional pardoning, requiring community service for the offender. Related words: mercy, clemency, forgiving, amnesty. Participate. Participate. Meaning: to take part in. She actively participated in the discussion by sharing her ideas. The students were encouraged to participate actively in the class activities. Related words: involve, take part, attend, engage, contribute. Removal. Removal. Meaning: act of taking away or getting rid of something. She went to the salon for a hair removal treatment. He regrets getting that tattoo and is considering tattoo removal. Related words: abolition, extraction, elimination, disposal, clearance. Replace. Replace. Meaning: substitute. I need to replace this broken phone with a new one. The company decided to replace the CEO with a more experienced candidate. Related words: upgrade, switch, renew, substitute, exchange. Resign. Resign. Meaning: to give up a position or job, often formally. She resigned herself to the fact that she wouldn't be able to attend the concert. He drafted his resignation letter after accepting a new job offer. Related words: abdicate, yield, quit, retire, step down. Speech. Speech. Meaning: oral expression of language. The CEO gave a speech about the company's future plans. My son goes to speech therapy to improve his language skills. Related words: language, presentation, oratory, eloquence, articulation. Subordinate. Subordinate. Meaning: lower in rank or position. The subordinate clause, although it was raining, adds additional information to the main clause. In the company hierarchy, the assistant manager has a subordinate role to the general manager. Related words: inferior, assistant, underling, servant, secondary. Tax. Tax. Meaning: required payment to government. I need to work on my tax return before the deadline. I'm looking for more tax deductions to lower my overall tax bill. Related words: deduction, audit, IRS, refund, income. Which of the following word means power to enforce rules? The answer is B. Authority. Which of the following word means to take part in? The answer is B. Participate. Which of the following word means Oral expression of language. The answer is A. Speech. What is the meaning of the word replace? The answer is C. Substitute. What is the meaning of the word removal? The answer is A. Act of taking away or getting rid of something. What is the meaning of the word tax? The answer is D. Required payment to government. What is the meaning of the word resign? The answer is B. To give up a position or job, often formally. What is the meaning of the word subordinate? The answer is A. Lower in rank or position. What is the meaning of the word guideline? The answer is C. Instruction or recommendation. What is the meaning of the word speech? The answer is C. Oral expression of language. Which of the following word means act of forgiving an offense? The answer is C. Pardoning. What is the meaning of the word participate? The answer is A. To take part in. Which of the following word means act of taking away or getting rid of something? The answer is C. Removal. What is the meaning of the word authority? The answer is A. Power to enforce rules. What is the meaning of the word dismiss? The answer is B. Send away or reject. What is the meaning of the word govern? The answer is A. To rule or control. Which of the following word means refuse to acknowledge or accept? The answer is C. Deny. What is the meaning of the word pardoning? The answer is A. Act of forgiving an offense. What is the meaning of the word overthrow? The answer is B. Remove forcefully from power. Which of the following word means to rule or control? The answer is C. Govern. What is the meaning of the word deny? The answer is B. Refuse to acknowledge or accept. Which of the following word means remove forcefully from power? The answer is C. Overthrow. What is the meaning of the word ceasefire? The answer is D. Temporary suspension of fighting. Which of the following word means send away or reject? The answer is C. Dismiss. Which of the following word means annulment of a system or practice? The answer is C. Abolition. What is the meaning of the word abolition? The answer is C. Annulment of a system or practice. Which of the following word means substitute? The answer is D. Replace. Which of the following word means compel observance of rules or laws? The answer is D. Enforce. Which of the following word means lower in rank or position? The answer is C. Subordinate. Which of the following word means required payment to government? The answer is C. Tax. Which of the following word means to give up a position or job, often formally? The answer is D. Resign. Which of the following word means instruction or recommendation? The answer is A. Guideline. Which of the following word means temporary suspension of fighting? The answer is A. Ceasefire. What is the meaning of the word enforce? The answer is D. Compel observance of rules or laws.